Hello, my Leo friends. Welcome to the Tarot with Snigdha, and this is the general spread for the month of July 2017. The energy which came for you all was Five of Cups. It is not a very good energy, and this shows that you are having you know some kind of worries from your past, and those are coming into the month of July as well. And I would like to suggest that please release yourself from these worries, because the month is going to be very beautiful for you all. This is the only card which I felt was a little, negative kind of energy was there in this card. If you have to forgive someone to release this energy, then you can forgive that person. Might be possible that in your past relationship there was some kind of heartbreak, or maybe your relationship with some person is not good, and they betrayed you, or they did not act in the manner which you wanted or you expected from them. So this is the time when you can forgive them, you can let go of your past, so that you can step into a very beautiful bright future. And still you are just looking into the cups which are laying on the ground, which and you are just looking over the spilt milk, and not on you are not looking to these cups which are already there, all the beautiful things you have in your life right now. So I think you should release yourself of all these worries. It is not something which is required right now, because one of the best things which I could see in your reading was that you have the lady in your center of the tarot spread, and it is a very beautiful card. It denotes nurturing energy, and you will be nurturing to the others, and the people surrounding you will feel very comfortable with you. You will be taking care of them, and might be possible that some motherly figure in your life might come, and she will take care of you, and you will be very relaxed. And this is also a good time when you can spend some relaxing moment in nature, and you can appreciate the beauty of nature. And might be possible that this month you will be going to some beautiful places, some hill stations or beaches, or on some trekking, so that you this will also renew your energy. And in relationships, if we see this card, it is a very beautiful card. It is a nurturing card, and it denotes that you and your partner both are nurturing. The first card which came in your spread was Two of Cups, and this comes when a new love is coming in your life. And to accentuate this energy, Ace of Cup also came, and all the three cards are very beautiful cards. Definitely this time, if you all are single, some new love is going to come in your life. Some romance is going to kindle, and you will feel so nurtured. And might be possible because you are having this energy, so you might be that nurturing energy, that motherly kind of energy, and this will help you in your bonding with your partner. And if you are already into a relationship, then this will be a very beautiful time where you both will celebrate, you both will go out, and go out to some beautiful places. And might be possible you will go on some overseas trips, and you will travel a lot. That is also a possibility in July, or maybe for the upcoming months in this year. You might go and travel with them, and you will have a very relaxing uh, time with them. The King of Wands is the energy of you, Leos, because you have got that, fiery element in you, and this keeps you burning, always burning. You are full of energy all the time, very, only sometimes you will be not having that much energy, or you might be tired. That will not be the case. Most of the times you will be full of energy, and that is really very beautiful thing. Because if the people around you are also, with that energy is like nurturing the people around you, and you are so attractive right now to everyone. It's not just to the opposite genders, to anyone. You are so, so, so attractive right now. People will come to you, and might be possible you will make many friends, or you might get some love proposals, because this time you are so, extrovert. With this Queen of Wands, you are very extrovert, highly social kind of energy is going on for this month. You will be going out having dinner, and you will be spending time with your friends, and you will be the center of the attraction. And you have got that charm in you which will attract many people, and might attract someone special into your life. The only important thing, see, with this card, the only problem is this might not be your soulmate, but if you will nurture them with your energy, um, then might be possible that this will turn into a, strong bond, because Ace of Cups is with you. You are right now, you will be feeling very, full of emotions. Emotions will bubble out of you. You have got so much emotions in the month of July, and these emotions will come out, and this will be very well reciprocated from the other end as well, and the other person will also reciprocate in the same manner, and you will really enjoy their company. And might be possible some kind of engagement, or sudden proposal being accepted, and weddings can be on the way, because the lady is there with you. So in the personal life, you will be very happy this month. Something beautiful is really coming on your way. Then the Wheel is there with you. See, sudden changes will happen in your life, and see, the whole our life is full of ups and downs. If any worry is there right now regarding your career, because I think most probably regarding your career, or even if regarding your love life, then this is like a wheel. If it goes down, it will come up as well. You need to be patient, and one more thing, you have to act. You should not just stand, and whatever is coming on your way, you are just going into that flow. That should not happen. You should try your best, put in your efforts, and I think you have got that energy this month, that you can change your situation, be it in your career or your love life, because you have got that energy which is required. Then there is this Princess of Pentacles. It is a very beautiful card in terms of career. Now is the time when you can learn a new skill, because you are going to start, or maybe you have planned something very which is very difficult to attain. Difficult in the sense which is not so easy. Not many people are going to have that much capability of putting their goals in that level. So you have put your goals in that level, that you have to have those skills also If you want some position in your life, then you have to put in that much hard work, and you have to generate those skills so that you are, suitable for that position, or suitable to attain that goal. So that hard work is required. If you are feeling a little low, then don't feel like that. Or maybe you are feeling little bored, you are feeling that you are very stuck up right now. Don't feel like that. You are going in the right direction. Just you need to add on to your skills. You can, enroll for some courses, and you can enhance your skill sets, which will really help you in your career. And I think might be possible that you are being attacked. So attacked in the sense that might be possible that some people are not in the agreeing with your ideas, with your thoughts. And most probably I see that this will happen in your career. And supposedly if this is happening in your love life, might be possible that this your new love, which you are so much attracted to, your mother is a little skeptical about it. That can be a possibility. See, two possibilities are there. Most probably, because this is coming upright, I feel that your mother will be, helping you with this relationship. But if you are facing some kind of issues, then that can be because of your mother. That can be a possibility. So I think that you should try to convince her, and you can evaluate the situation, and with your logics, you have to be very clear in your you have to be very clear, and then only you can convince her that whatever you feel good regarding that person, you can try to convince her, if you feel that this is the true love of your life. And if in career you feel that your boss or your subordinates or your colleagues, they are not on the same plane, and they are not agreeing with you, then at least you can try your level best, and you can forward your points, so that they can also have the understanding. They can also try to understand your point of view. And I think you are that much capable. Being a fiery sign, you have got that energy, that enthusiasm is there in you, and that will definitely help you overcome this situation. Then Cernunnos came in reverse, and when it comes in reverse, then it means that recently, if you had some kind of addictions or obsessions, you have overcome those obsessions in the recent past, or maybe in the month of July you are going to overcome those obsessions. It is a very beautiful card. If you were drinking, smoking, or maybe you were not into fitness, then this month you will be into fitness, and you will take care of your health. And if you were spending a lot on unnecessarily, which on items which are not required, just like that, you were spending without thinking, then in the month of July that habit will be changed, and it is really a good thing for you. Because in the long run, all those obsessions and those bad habits definitely affect you in the overall your personal life and your career. They will definitely affect you, so it is also a very helpful card. Then the messages which came, there were two messages which came. One was that this month you will feel a desire for a more meaningful life, and meaningful life in the sense that might be possible that you will feel that in your career you should focus, like that focus will be more, and then you will see that, yeah, why I am doing this job, and how it is going to help others, and how it is going to help me. So that meaning you will find, And maybe possible for some of you, if you are like so much worried about anything in your life, then that worries will go off and you will find that you will feel better. Then it is also about realizing that it's time to move on. As I already told you, it's time to move on from this worries. And if you want to forgive someone, you can forgive and you can move on. And there will be some major life changes, because the world, the wheel, even the lady and the sun, all these cards are major arcana cards. And whenever they come into a reading and so many major arcana cards came, then definitely something big is going to happen, some change is going to come into your life, and you should be open about that change. And if you want to take some decisions, then don't rush right now, don't be in haste, just relax and think about it. Then take everyone's input into consideration. If you are taking some decisions, then you can ask for the people who are more experienced than you, and that might help you take a wise decision. And then you can merge the viewpoints of everyone and create a better solution. And there is no need to rush this time, because you are a very fiery kind of sign, so you are always on the run. So just relax yourself before taking any major life changing decisions, so that later on you have no regrets in the upcoming months, that why did I take that decision, I should have thought. That thing should not come, regrets should not come. So thank you, Leos.